Start by opening FileZilla Pro RemoteDrive. If it's already active, you'll find the icon in the top bar. Otherwise, open the App Store app and launch it from there. Click on Plus Add Server to begin creating a new connection. Choose the connection type from the drop-down menu. Select Microsoft OneDrive. You can name the connection for easy reference. Skip it to let RemoteDrive name it automatically based on the server's name. Click Add and Connect. FileZilla Pro RemoteDrive needs your authorization to access your account. Your default browser will open. If you're not logged in, sign into Microsoft and grant the required permission. Microsoft will give you an authorization code. Copy it and paste it into the authorization dialog. If prompted, review the server's certificates. Click OK and flag they'll always trust this certificate to prevent future prompts. If it is the first time you connect to the server, Finder will ask you to enable the connection. FileZilla Pro RemoteDrive, your all-in-one file transfer solution. Get it now on the Apple App Store.